Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Refson. I've got some very exciting news. Today is the first day we can take a look at a segment we know as Will It Bar? That's right, ladies and gentlemen, Will It Bar? In this series we will figure out what can and cannot bar. The potential bars will be ranked with 4 criteria: weirdness, comfort, features and tricks. All items we tested will be shown in our bar chart, which you can see right here. Good point. Also, the winner of each episode will be taken out in public.
Nice.
Okay, let's take a look at the first contestants. We've got a Dutch bike handlebar, a broom, a stool and a tire. Let's ask ourselves the ancient question: will it bar? As you can imagine, we did some thorough research for this program. So we searched for stuff in the bin and we found this bar. And I can hear you think, dude, you have the chance to take any bar. You actually take a handlebar as your first bar. But hold on, there's a twist. Someone decided to put the handlebar in like this. And yes, that's duct tape. And yes, that's one of the most used tools by engineers. And basically then everything fell apart, so we had to put more duct tape and yes, more stuff, and then we decided to take it for a ride. As you can see, this is actually super inconvenient as a handlebar. I did not suspect that at all. Actually, I guess if you're in your office the entire day and you have an uneven load on your back, this is the way to counter that again with a load in the other direction. So I guess it's sick. Think of a weirdness factor for this thing. I think it's pretty weird. I mean, if I see this, I think, what the heck is that guy thinking? So I guess you get a 4 out of 10. If you only use one hand, it's pretty normal, but if you have to use 2 hands on the bar, it's nah. So that would be a 3 out of 10. I was able to track stand it, so 2 out of 10 for the tricks, but there were no special features. Bar chart time. Let's fill in these scores. A grand total of 9. Well, I guess it's fine for a sideways handlebar. And yes, we are first in the ranking because there are no other entries yet. Alright, calm. Let's find the next item behind this door. Which biker hasn't thought of using a broom as a handlebar? Please let this not be today's winner. It's literally impossible to ride with such a wide handlebar through the city center. We were too lazy for the duct tape this time, so we used popsicle sticks. In order to get this bike through the door, you had to carry it like this. Alright, let's see what this broomstick bike can do. Will it bar? At least with this bike, your floor will always be spotless. This bike's actually pretty nice to ride. I mean, it's almost your daily driver. It's just a straight bar. Actually, you can even skid it a little bit, but you do leave some marks. But you can brush it up with the broom afterwards. Fish and chips is hard, but that's not because of this bike, it's just because of me. Yeah, you can clean the wall with this. I mean, what if you have a dirty wall and you happen to bike there? It's clean now, I just say. I think that deserves 2 points on features, actually. I think every painter should have this. You can just paint an entire wall by just biking next to it. Alright, weirdness. It's not that weird, actually. It's a bar, but just very wide with a broom on the end. Comfort is high, actually, and tricks is average. Let's return to the bar chart again. Let's see what these new scores will do for us. 17. It's unbelievable. And with this score, the broom rises to the top of our leaderboard very quickly. Let's get ready for the next item.
Ave.
The next item is an actual stool. I have no idea who came up with this idea, but we are gonna test it for sure. Let's see if this thing will just fit in and not be annoying. Ah, that should be a lovely fit, actually. With a little help of the magic gloved hand, everything will be done in no time. Some more Allen key action. And it's done. Don't forget the ritual bike molesting on the way to our test facility. Yeah, this looks pretty normal. Alright, let's give this a try then. So this is actually super comfortable. I mean, you can even adjust your handlebars while riding for different riding positions. I mean, what else is there to wish? Track standing is not a problem. Well, it is not if you're actually capable of doing things. A little backward driving there, I see it. So yeah, the sheer mass of this stool is very strange while steering. The best part is that you can use it as a stool when you have to rest, you know? It's pretty convenient actually. What other bike has this feature? I mean... And with a blink of the eye, you're back on the road again. Let's get our bar chart out and do some more ranking. I bet this one will do good. Round 3. Let's fill in the stool scores. 22, ladies and gentlemen. That is the highest score we saw today so far. In our overall ranking, you can see that's on top now.
Wow.
On to the next one. The next item is also a bike related item. It is called an outer tire. Oh, let's see how this thing will work as a bar. I mean, surely that won't bar, or will it? So we had some struggle trying to attach it. In the end we used some Allen keys as always, and it sit very nice, no? So this will be very easy to steer, I suppose. Yep. On to the test facility. We should really come up with some better ideas than this. Oh yeah, there was a wasp, by the way. I don't see the purpose of wasps. I mean, bees, they give honey, but what do wasps do? Okay, anyway, let's go on with this video. Now, boys and girls, this is just stupid. I mean, who comes up with the idea of using a flexible piece of material to... Yeah, see? There we go already. It doesn't work. The next tactic was to hold it very close to the stem, but yeah, that's a bit of cheating, I mean. So my cameraman forced me to go back to using the tire. And this is about the top speed I got without getting out of control. So basically we can just conclude that this is a shit idea. Yes, we can just say that. Alright guys, you know the drill. Bar chart, low point, last place. So today's winner is the Stool. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, taking this thing out in public. Let's see if this Stool will invoke some nice reactions on people. Let's get to it. Since 99.78% of the world is not Dutch, I will explain what these red paths are. Those are dedicated bike lanes. Yes, we have that here. So apparently people found it pretty normal that I was just biking around with a stool in my stem. But the old sit on your handlebars trick did make some heads turn. She just looks so confused. Next up we went to see Django from Django's Bike Shop. Check out his channel in the description.
Hallo. Ik zat toch op de camera te kijken. Ik wil ze al sturen, maar wat is het wel?
Kan gewoon toch? Het is vies lekker hoor.
Dat is nice man. Dat is wat chill hè?
Wat is de verdict?
Verdict.
Het verdict, ja.
Hoe moe bent, kan je altijd gaan zitten.
Precies. Dat is echt wel waar trouwens. Dan kan je hier, hoppa. Bij het stoplicht of zo.
Werkt wel. Best handig toch?
Ja toch?
Eigenlijk.
So yeah, you want to try it? Yeah, sure.
Nou, een kleine poker game. Ja. Daar staat je zo mee in positie. Dat lijkt super
Right. Oh, later. See you later, man. Yeah.
And back we went to our workshop. I think this was a successful test actually. And whether it works or not, I mean, people started smiling when they saw it, so at least we made some people happy. If you have paid enough attention, you see that no one wears helmets here in the Netherlands while on the bike. I think it's because we actually have sort of superior infrastructure for bikes. It's pretty unique in the world. Also, we think bike helmets look ridiculous. Alright guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked this first episode of Will at Bar, and I will see you in the next one.